This is Taj English Academy. I am your lecturer, Dr. Taj Firdausi. Again, with grammar. In my last class, I told you about present simple tense. Tenses, I am making it so beautiful, easy and simple. Yesterday, I mean to say in the last class, I told you that a present simple speaks about the work or some action which is practiced every time or which is not practiced every time. It shows only the nature of the activity. For example, let's say you go to school in the morning at 8 o'clock, and whatever you do in a day, a regular day, you can say it in a present simple. Go, come, eat, drink, sleep, play. Not I am playing, I am going. You can't say every day I am going to school. I am going to school means now. Going, now. So you have to say I go to school. I get up early in the morning means every time. Yesterday, today, tomorrow. That's my practice. I get up early in the morning, then I have a bath and I eat my breakfast and I get ready and I go to school. And then I come back at 4 o'clock. After that I have some tea and some food, and after half an hour I go out and I play football. I come back and again I just finish my homework and I watch TV. I eat my dinner with my parents and my brothers and sisters. After that we sit and talk for some time and then I go to bed. I come, I go, I eat, everything is present simple because you are speaking about I, we, you, they. Go. I, we, you, they. I go, we go, you go, they go. If it is singular, he, she, it. Go becomes goes. Come becomes comes. He becomes eats. I go, he goes. I eat, she eats. We drink, it drinks. That's all. Now I will say something about my friend. My friend, yeah, Mr. George. Same story. Getting up early, going to school, coming back, eating, playing, watching TV and sleeping. The same thing. What you said, I get up early in the morning. And now you will say, he gets up. Not I get, he gets up in the morning. I get ready to go to school. He gets ready to go to school. I go to school at 8. He goes to school at 8. I come back at 4. He comes back at 4. I have my lunch. He has his lunch. I go out and play football. He goes out and plays football. I have a bath. He has a bath. I eat my dinner. I eat my dinner. He eats his dinner. I watch TV. He watches TV. I go to bed at 9. He goes to bed at 9. That's all. So, I go, we go, you go, they go. He goes, she goes, it goes. He goes, she goes, it goes. That's all. That's so simple. It shows an action which is repeated. And that's all for today. Anyway, you are perfect with present simple. In my next class, I am going to tell you the same sentence, present simple with negatives. Take care. Jazakallah. Ma'as-salam from Dr. Taj Al Firdausi. Bye. Take care.